the live stream is not going to take much time. I just want to share this because I don't know if I've listened to the video or should I take it back. Okay, okay. Okay. Let's complete it, then we can now discuss about it. Yeah.
Day police kill us, we kill police back. They will say, please, what is the problem? What is going on? That time the language is not the same. What is going on means they want to hear from the zoo, they want to hear from us. But if they come and they kill us and they go scot free, they will say to the zoo, please investigate and let us know. Every country you mentioned, the UN came in as they were fighting. For every year that we fought the war, Southern Sudan fought for 10 years. Guerrilla warfare. At a point, it became very, very clear to Sudanese that because they're not going away, they have fought for 30 years, they're not going anywhere. These are the things we need to understand. Had both Biafra, Opposition of Freedom Fighters, had they gone into the bush to continue guerrilla warfare, by now Biafra will be a free country. But everybody went into buying and selling. You became very selfish. It's just about you and your son and your family. Which is why go and ask people who are as old as we are that grew up in the village and close to our father and our grandparents or uncles in those days. Ask them, since when did an Igbo man start saying, immediately after the war, people became so selfish to the point whereby all that matters to them is their welfare and that of their family, not that of the community and everybody anymore.
I noticed that. I noticed that.
We have to fight.
I noticed that. It's unfortunate.
If we do not fight, Biafra will not come. Let us do it peacefully.
No. It's okay. It's okay. Maybe tomorrow we will have program. You understand?
Do you want me to read it again for you today? The Bible said that the UN will not.
Why? It's okay.
The Bible said that UN will not come to you until you face Chukwuka.
I thought they don't take light in the country where you are. Okay. No problem. So they have light more than Nigeria then. I said, do they normally have light more than Nigeria? Can you hear me? Wow. I think the signal is bad. It's truly bad. I can hear you, but you cannot hear me. I can hear you. I can hear you. It's frozen.
Your maker, and then you fight. Let me tell you something. Those of you that understand the history of this whole world, when somebody comes to your house to rape your wife, to kill your mother and your children, if you're a man,
yes, I can hear you.
Fight and die in the process of defending the honor of your family.
Exactly.
They will kill you. There are many of them, but you are better off dead than watching somebody rape your wife and your mother. It's called honor. But I'm sure most black people from Africa don't have it. That is what we wanted to have. Honor. That Fulani cannot rule. You are the children of heaven itself.
So guys, that is it. That is it. You see, the message is very clear, very clear. So if you are listening to these people claiming that they know it, they want to have political solution, they want to wait until politicians tell them when to talk, how to talk, where to go. This is Mazam Mekano preaching. This is Mazam Mekano belief. This is Mazam Mekano, telling you what to do to free yourself.